Hi friends, I Ruby Masonia continue with our first unit Advanced SQL. In the previous video we have to seen index, and this video or today we will discuss about the views in database management system. First of all, what is a view? A view is a virtual or logical table that allows to view or manipulate the part of the table. It is not all the part of the table, but it is some manipulate table parts, okay, or it is not a real, it is a virtual or logical, which allow us to manipulate the some part of the table. A view is derived from one or more table that is known as base table. In which table we have to create a view, this table is known as a base table. For example, I have a student table and I want to create a view on student table, then my student table is a base table. A view look like or work like a similarly a normal table, but it unlike a table. A view does not having a storage space or store the data. I already said that view is virtual or logical, so it is not having any storage space or any storage data. Data for view are extracted from this base table on some of the based on the some specific query. View can be created by some specific query which is fired on the our base table. A view is dynamically and also reflect the current data of the base table. If my view is created on the student name column or on the student table, what I do in view that all the operations are affected in the base table. Only definition view is stored in the database. Just a definition of the view is stored, not store a data. When any operation is performed on the view, it is automatically performed on the base table. If I delete some particular records from the student table in view, then it is automatically deleted by in the base table. Clear? These are the some fundamentals of the view. Now I discuss type of the view. There are two types of the view available in DBMS: read-only view and updated view. Just name suggests read-only view. Read-only means only read operation allowed. You did not do any delete, insert operations on the view. Read-only view means allows only select operations. This manner user can only view the data. No insert, update or delete operations are allowed. This means content of the base table cannot be modified. In read-only view, the base table content as it is, user cannot be modified. Second type of view is updatable view. Updatable view means it allows select as well as insert, update and delete operations. This means the content of the base table can be changed or modified as per the user do. Okay. So there are the two types of view available: read-only and updatable view. How to create a view in Oracle or SQL? Let us see the syntax of how to create a view. A view can be created by the following syntax: create in bracket or replace view, view name as select dot with read-only options. Now we can see the one by one explanation of our syntax. This statement create a view based on the query specified in the select statement. If I want to create a view in the student name, then I select the student name. Okay. First of all, from the syntax, what do you mean by or replace? Create means it create a view, or replace or replace means it recreates the view if it is already existing. Maintaining the privilege is granted to the view that is given by the view name. With read-only options, create a read-only view. If this option is not provided, by default updatable view are created. In our syntax, the select statement can include where clause or order by, group by, if it is required. If it is does not required, then we can execute only just a select statement. Now, the following example explain how to create a view and how to use them in the SQL statement. In this example, we have to consider a two table account and branch. See this, here are account and branch. Two tables are available with the column value account number, balance, branch name. In branch name and branch address. There are the two columns are common in the box table is branch name. So, now we see how to create a view. In the view, in this example, we have to consider a two table. So, first of all, we create a view using single base table. Okay. For that, create a view SSE_RJT based on the account table to have only accounts belongs to Rajkot branch. Okay. I want to create a view in single base table. I want the output like just only city or branch name Rajkot existing only this data. So, I create a view, view name. My view name is SSE_RJT as select star from account where B_name equals to Rajkot. Okay. This view, what will be the output of this view? I want to see the output of this view, then we can select star from SSE_RJT. In SSE_RJT, the output will be available depends on this our select query, select star from account where branch name equals to Rajkot. It will be gives the output which branch name equals to Rajkot. All the data of account which belongs to in the Rajkot. Okay. A view using multiple base table. More than one table we have to create a view. For that multiple base table, for that we have to create a view SSE_branch as select account number, balance, account dot branch name, because here I mention account dot branch name because branch name available in both are the table, branch address from account and branch table. I have to select all the columns of our two table, account number, balance, branch name from the account table and branch address from the account from the branch table. I have compared with the where clause, those branch name is matched in account table and branch table. This output I want in my SSE_branch view. So, output is view created. If I want to see my output, then I want to or I fire my query SSE_branch. Then I got the output like this. These are the output depends on our previous table which is we shown account and branch. See this the output. These are the output of account and branch match with the branch name. But there are the available of the cross product of the two table or join of the two table. So, in multiple base table we have to got a join operation of the two table. Depends on our select query and where clause. How to alter a view? For we have to create or use the word create or replace view SSC underscore Rajkot, SSC underscore RAG as select star from account where a underscore number equals to 1. Then SSC underscore RAG is our view is altered automatically and we got the output select star from SSC underscore RAG. Some of the restrictions on view. Any view created to be updatable either using single base table or multiple based table must not include distinct group by and having clausure. Which table we want to create a view, this base table cannot be include distinct group by and having clausure. If in the base table distinct group by and having clausure, then we cannot create a view on this base table. Aggregate function like max, min, sum, average, count and count which is not supported in the view, or in which base table having aggregate function we cannot create a view. Set operations like union, union all, intersection, minus, subquery, in this kind of operation which is available in our base table, so we cannot create a view in this base table. There are some operations which is allowed and not allowed in view. A view defined using single base table, select operation allowed, insert operation allowed only if primary key and not null column included in the view, update operation allowed and delete operations allowed. A view defined using multiple base table, if a view is created from multiple base table and thus table are not linked logically, that means table does not contain a foreign key, it means there is a no key defined between them, then select operation allowed, select operation allowed, insert operation not allowed, update operation not allowed and delete operations not allowed. There are some basics fundamentals of the view. When view is create in single base table and when we create a views in multiple base table. So in this video we have to see what is view, how to create a view, types of view, read only view and updatable view. View it is created in single base table and view it is created in multiple base table. In next video I will discuss with you how to implement a view in SQL or Oracle. Okay, so you have to clearly about the view. These are some advantages of view. View data without storing a data into the object. Restriction of view we already discussed. Which type of disadvantages provided by the view. Okay, join two or more tables, so it is one object to user. Restrict the access of the table, so it is nobody can insert the row into the table. Which view is data without storing a data into the object. There are two major advantages of the view: flexible enforcement of security, simplification, complex query. If I want to destroy my view, then drop view name. Disadvantages we have seen that cannot use DML operation on view. When table is dropped, view become a inactive. View is an object, so it occupies a only space, but our table is dropped, then view is in active mode. We cannot access our view when our table is dropped. Okay, I hope you understand a view. If you having any doubts regarding view, kindly comments. I will try my best for your solutions. And now in next lecture I will see you how to implement a view in Oracle. So so you better clear about the view. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.